Alright guys, good morning. I'm half asleep. I am trying out a tripod for the iPhone that I just bought. Excuse the dirty windshield, it's so humid and foggy out. That Rain-X is not doing anything. So, rear seats are down because I have something in the back. The car's in comfort mode. It's pretty loud, but it's pretty nice. So let's try a little POV. Not really a POV, I mean, I guess it's a POV, it's just not the head mount. I prefer it like this. And I want to do a track day, so maybe I was considering doing this. But maybe in a future car, the car might be sold, guys. I posted it for sale. Somebody was interested. They were supposed to come see it yesterday, but I wasn't feeling too well, so called it off. I'm keeping the T's. I don't know. We'll see. Do I really want to sell it? No. I'm not even going to hide the car I'm trying to get. I really want an F80. I wanted an F87 M2 with N55. But for that, I just DCT swapped this car because why am I going to get a payment when I have everything from a rear M car? I have the chance to get from my buddy the rear subframe with the control arm, the whole assembly, you know what I'm saying, with calipers, everything. I already have the whole front end built, you know, from a rear M4. So at that point, I would just do the rear end with the DCT swap and call it a day. I'm still kind of considering that. The thing is, I kind of miss having a sedan. I like the whole coupe stuff, but I do miss having a sedan. Oof, I am super tired this morning. I didn't even do my hair today, guys, so that's why you don't see my head in the film. Let me see how that sucker's looking. That looks pretty cool. I like it. So definitely, yeah, your boy's a bit tired. I think I overslept. I went to sleep around 10:30 and woke up at 6:45. I'm supposed to be at work at 6:30 to open the store at 7:30. It's already 7:05. I got a 20-minute drive. So, yep. Car's warmed up a little bit. I'm not really going to step on it, but this is comfort. I'm going to put it in sport so you guys can kind of hear it. So, here we go. Coded out, by the way, the drivetrain malfunction, shifter malfunction, light, and everything else that the car had because of the shifter. I found some guy that makes a harness adapter if I do keep the car in the meantime. I'll probably just do that with the XHP. Those are the pops on OEM settings, but instead of being half a second duration, they're set up for 1.5. But the M4 muffler does make it sound a lot louder. That's like quarter throttle right there, you guys. I'm not really trying to get into any trouble. Yep, this guy's out the way. He's like, screw that guy. I got a code this morning for my Vanos, and I got to swap out the exhaust Vanos. I have one brand new from BMW at home, which I will be tossing in the car tonight. It was just raining last night. I wasn't feeling too good, so I got to do that. I got to flip the tires inside out, even if I sell the car with the stock wheels on it. I got to do a couple things here and there. So let's see. I have to get a new front left control arm. This is giving vibration. The bushing's going bad. It's a common thing for me with this car. I've changed them about 4 times. I checked the preload on the adjustable sway bar links. Everything's set up. The suspension is set up right. Nothing is done wrong. It's just, I really don't get it. The car starts to vibrate, or when I turn slightly, I don't know if you guys can hear this. I feel it in the wheel, and it's always on the left side. So since it has a warranty, I always replace both. So I'm gonna have to go after work today and pick those suckers up. But yeah, guys, unfortunately, that is the problem. So here it is in Sport Plus. Oil temps there are about 180, 190-ish right now. I'm going to kind of get on it, nothing crazy, just, it's a little humid with the drags. I kind of just rolled onto it, gave it a quick tap full throttle, got back off of it, but yeah. Half throttle. So just to refresh your memory, it's a Pure 500 with the Turbo Smart VR9 dual port, which is the one that sounds like a real blow-off valve. It goes to atmosphere. I miss having the plumb back, so I'm definitely, if I do keep the car, I'll go back to that one and get rid of this one, because I do miss the flutter. Has an inlet, obviously an intake, F80 conversion for the intercooler, J-pipe, charge pipe. So yeah, Precision Raceworks Stage 2 low pressure fuel pump. It is on a pure Stage 2 OTS map from MHD. Since the pure Stage 2 is so much bigger, the car is actually running pretty rich, so it's very conservative right now. I gotta mess with the mapping a little bit, you know, check the AFRs. It's running like at a 12.6 right now. I gotta bring it to at least like a 13. I gotta mess with the mapping. I can't finish downloading Tuner Pro for MHD. I've tried contacting them. They said I'm doing everything right. I don't know if it's something with my laptop or not, so I might have to get a new one, but definitely gonna look a little bit more into that, because if I do keep the car, I want to put a high pressure pump on and adjust the mapping, you know. So let's see what happens. That's back in comfort. Like I said, the rear seats are down if the car does sound pretty loud. So yeah, you guys. What else? For now, that's about it. Can't think of anything else. I got rid of the lip. It got destroyed the one I bought on Amazon. I love that lip. It's all cracked up. It has to get re-epoxied. But if I get an F80, I can throw it on that sucker. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. So what else? I'm just thinking, no, that's about it. They just made these new roads here by work, so they're not the best. But man, that controller is driving me crazy. The car feels like a clunker. I have to get rid of the airbag light with Pro Tools. I gotta borrow my dad's tablets, because when I had the Recaro seats in here, it obviously threw that light. So I have to get rid of that because I have the F80 seats now, so I gotta swing by his house to do that. Gotta change the control arm, get an alignment. As you can see, the steering wheel is a little bit crooked. Oh my god, this guy almost fucking rear-ended me. Holy shit, you guys. Holy shit. Wow. That is crazy, you guys. My car was almost done for, you guys. That would have been insane right now. Wow. Okay. Yeah. So, I don't know what to say now. That guy was like a millimeter from destroying the whole back of the car. I guess I would have had my freaking F80 now, huh? So let's get away from this sucker now. I can't trust these people out here. That's a perfect excuse to rip it, bro. I love the prep. So yeah, guys. Alright, let's throw it back in comfort. So yeah, guys, definitely love this car. If I'm gonna get rid of it, it's gonna be for an F80. I don't want an M4. I miss having a sedan. It's just more comfortable. If this guy doesn't give me what I'm asking, I'm not gonna sell the car. I'm not in a rush. I'll just save up. I'll get the M3 rear end for now, and then I'll do the DCT swap in the future. But yeah, just wanted to film a little POV, test out this camera. Give you guys a little update on things. The car is a little bit dirty, a little bit messy. It's been raining non-stop in Miami. So yeah, gotta clean this sucker up, got it looking nice again. And I'm gonna start doing more POV stuff. I'm gonna get one of these for Connor so we can both film with our mics. And I think it should be some great content. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was more like a little demo mock-up. I will be posting it. Thank you guys so much for enjoying this, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.